I'm bored. Therethere's nothing to do. Mike, entertain me.
Jake, there's nothing I can do. Well, last week I got a 600-inch 3D TV.
We've been sitting here for 2 days.
Well, sorry. Let's see what's on.
See what number 6 directed the... Basically, have you read it? Everyone deserves to be safe.
Are you ready for Asia's Kitchen?
Hello, welcome to the Asian's Kitchen. I am your host, Lee the... Hold on a second, please. Hilda, get over here!
What is it, Lee? Hilda, what do you think you're doing? It is song for opening. Hilda? Yes? That was the Jeopardy song. So? So? That song's freaking copyrighted. What is your freaking problem? Are you some kind of idiot? Boss, don't talk to me that way. Why don't you just shut up? What? You do not talk to me that way. Okay, I'm sorry. Stop hitting me. I'm sorry. Yeah, you better be sorry.
You're in for a real treat today, people. Oh yeah, sorry about that. Today, we're going to be making the best breakfast ever. Tomato breakfast.
Yeah!
Done! Let's look at the ingredients that we're going to need for tomato breakfast. A knife, a tomato, and these rare, visible Indian spices, as you can see. Alright, people, step 1, we will cut the tomato. Yeah. Look how easily my knife cuts into this tomato. I do it better than chefs do. You know that show, Hell's Kitchen? Yeah, those guys, they don't have anything on us. No, they're eating our dust. They're literally eating our dust. Okay, done cutting the tomato. We have finished cutting the tomato. Step 2, we will add the rare, visible Indian spices. Yeah. Notice how I'm adding the spices. Better than the Hell's Kitchen people. Better than chefs do. That's how I roll. All the time. Add all those spices in. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that! Well, folks, after a whole bunch of intense cooking that I do better than the people in Hell's Kitchen, we have finally been able to make tomato breakfast! The best breakfast ever! You are all jealous. You can make tomato breakfast on your own too. But if it's too difficult, then I don't blame you. I mean, this is a lot of work. I did this better than the Hell's Kitchen people. Well, thanks for tuning in today, folks. Our next episode will be tomorrow at 5:30, where I'll be making... Hilda!
What is it, Master? You played the Jeopardy song again. I didn't mean to, Master. Please, you forced me to do this, Hilda. Oh no! Master, don't do it! Master, please! Master, no!
Man, these kitchen TV shows have so much more spice added to them now.
I want to make tomato breakfast now.